today I will be filming something new. Like, I have a whole bunch of videos. It's new, but okay. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. I have a really cool video in store, so hope you all enjoy. Alright, so let me get a sip. I have some Simply strawberry lemonade, but it's not good because I just brushed my teeth, so yeah. Okay. I was on YouTube and I found a whole bunch of videos of people doing at-home wax kits. A lot of them they got from Amazon. I watched one particular video with Lala and I loved her video because like she showed the hair on the wax thing, and I'm like the type of person that thinks that's like oddly, grossly satisfying. So I was like, oh my God, that probably felt so good to just feel all that hair being ripped out. I don't know, y'all. I'm kind of weird like that. So I decided to go on Amazon and purchase my own at-home wax kit. Shout out to Amazon Prime. Y'all are really about to take over. This is the wax kit I bought. You know how YouTubers be getting a thumbnail? It is called a Kulala. It's really lightweight. Well, not really lightweight. Pretty lightweight though. And I love the packaging. I'm going to do an initial like unboxing. Then we're going to jump right into it. But I know people can do really long unboxing videos, so I'm going to just try to run through it. Cute packaging. Really cute packaging. So let's just open the box. You have these sticks, which I'm assuming are for when you wax smaller parts, say your eyebrows or your chin area or upper lip, just to apply the wax. You have your jumbo sticks to apply to larger areas such as arms, legs, Brazilian, bikini lines. You get 4 wax packs. We get 4 different wax packs. They all come, like you can see the different colors. It's white, pink, purple, another white one, gray, whatever. I don't know if it's different fragrances, whatever, it didn't really say. But I'm pretty sure that's probably it because I know they sell them individually. Super lightweight, although, you know, that's what the wax is going in. It's very lightweight. You definitely can travel with this. Just a plastic top. Side of the wax kit. I like this because you're able to remove it. Okay. Alright, I don't know if that's supposed to come out. So, when you are done waxing and you want to remove the wax, you can just, it'll be laid down in the wax warmer like this, and you'll just pick up this plastic part and then you can lift it up and then remove it. And then this is nice and clean, or if it's not, you can just wipe it off, whatever. Instruction manuals in this little packet I already read with instructions in it. Alright, so here y'all can see I have everything that I need set up. I decided to just go with the purple beans just because this is optional actually. You don't need cotton rounds, but you want to clean the area off that you will be waxing. So cotton rounds, paper towels, whatever you use. Witch hazel, which I will clean the area that I'm using with. Baby powder is used for waxes to absorb any moisture on your skin so that when you apply the wax, it's only going to rip off the hairs and not your skin. So definitely get some baby powder. These don't smell good. I don't think they're supposed to, but still. Alright, maybe it's the packaging. I don't know. I just kind of want to show y'all how much I had in there. Can y'all see this? Okay. I'm going to just add the whole pack. I'm actually not in a rush, but low-key will be in a rush because I have work in like an hour. Just let them sit in here and melt for about 10 minutes, and then I will come back and we will get started. I took off my robe. If you're waxing your underarms, I recommend that you wear something, maybe a t-shirt, bra. I'm wearing a bandeau bra. Anything that you don't really care to get waxed on, possibly, especially if it's your first time. So I'm just wearing this black bandeau bra. And I want to show you all my hairy armpits so y'all can see the before and after. Don't judge first off because we all grow hair. Let's be mature. And yeah, like, okay, that's really it. You came to this video to see hair removal. My armpits, if you can see them. Pretty hairy. I don't even remember the last time I shaved them. So that explains a lot. but they are pretty hairy, so I'm excited to see what this will do for me. I'm gonna use my cotton rounds to just clean off my armpits with some witch hazel. While we're waiting for the wax to dry, I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit about me. No, I'm not. Now we're just gonna wait for the wax to dry. I'm probably gonna give it like 10 more minutes, hopefully not even that long, and then we can jump right into the video. It's melted. I would say the consistency is a little bit of what it needs to be. It needs to be a honey consistency, but it's really hot right now, so I'm gonna have to let it sit a little bit longer. All right, y'all. It's go time. About to start. All right, I'm gonna take some of the baby powder and just put it in my hand. I'm really about to make a mess, honestly. Ugh. I'm nervous, y'all. I'm nervous. Oh my gosh. Okay, some of the wax, twisting it so it doesn't spill, doesn't drip or anything. Apply it in the direction of your hair. So I have curly hair, not gonna lie. I'm just gonna apply it down and I'm gonna just pull it up. So, see it's dripping. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, y'all. Ooh, y'all. I'm scared. What I learned from Lala was you wanna like do a swoop like that. So when you rip it, it has something to like, you have something to grab. It don't look like I got something to grab. I'm scared. It's a little too thick, y'all. It's too thick like me. Oh my God, it's too thick like me. Ooh. Oh, I'm supposed to be lying down, working now. All right, this arm might have been a fail. Not gonna even lie to y'all. Ooh, I'm nervous. A lot going on right now. I'm hot, y'all. My face hot. Okay. All right. Ooh, shit, this hurt. Ooh, it hurt just picking it up like this. Ooh. Woo. Shut up, I'm hot. Ooh, okay, okay. Now, maybe this wasn't a good idea. All right. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. 1, 2. Ooh. Okay, I did it. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Merge, I got hair. Ooh, okay, let's finish because I don't want it to frag me. One, 2, and 1, 2. Ooh, 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 ooh. Morgan, bro. Oh Jesus, y'all. This is one. Oh my God, it hurts. Y'all, look at my freaking underarm though. Wow. This is freaking too legit to quit. You all, it worked. Oh my God, it works. I figured it was gonna work. I was just nervous about me doing it. Wow. I have a little bit of hair right here. I'm gonna remove again. But just look at my underarm. Look, 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 look. Before, after, bro. This is like the new thing. Let me show y'all. Make sure y'all can see this shit. Y'all see all that hair? And then the white that you see, which is the best part at the tip of the hair. I'm sorry, this is gross, but you know, whatever. The white you see, that means that it came straight out, like it pulled the whole follicle, which means that it'll take even longer to grow back now. Look at all that hair. All right, I'm done. Y'all, ladies, y'all gonna have to buy this, for real. Y'all gonna have to buy this, cause y'all gonna see this video and y'all gonna see me acting up, cause we all know it's a hot girl summer, and y'all gonna wanna buy this. What? I'm a pro now? I'm a pro? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Y'all want me to wax you? Oh, okay. Okay. I got the hair. Look at that. Y'all see, I was sweating. Like, I was sweating. I'm just gonna do this little piece of hair. If y'all can see it, like it's some hair like right here. And then I'm moving on to the other one because I got work in like 15 minutes, y'all. Ew. Okay. So I'm left-handed. This will be different because I'm using my right hand now. Whew. All right. Wow. Y'all, look at that. Another one. Can y'all see it, bro? Can y'all see this? This is just really amazing to me. All right. I think it's pretty dry. I'm so scared. Once you do it though, once you just do it, it's just so much better. Another, like, just whole bunch of hair. All right, y'all, I had to do the other ones off camera because I checked the time and it's 4 o'clock and I'm supposed to be clocking into work right now. So I had to call my job and let them know I'm running a little late. So yeah, the things I do for y'all, right? No, I'm just kidding. The things I do for myself. I just felt like I really needed to do this. Okay, I got a couple here. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. A whole new world. Ooh. Ooh. Perfect. Okay. I am hairless, people. Afterwards, no pain or nothing. Some of the people that had done the at-home wax, they said to put like essential oils on your arms or wherever you wax. So I'm just gonna actually, because I don't really feel any like sensitivity for real, I'm just gonna apply some light coconut oil because I don't want to sweat coconut oil, but just a little bit of coconut oil to it, and that's really it. I actually really want to just apply my deodorant, but I feel like that's not a good idea, so I'm gonna wait to do that. This is after. Armpits are completely hair-free, literally. I mean, I want to get super close so y'all can see that my armpits literally are hairless from the start. That's it. Thank you for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. I gotta go to work and I will see you all soon. Bye.